Algebraic expression. Which of the following is equivalent to 4 plus 8x divide 12x? So first 4 plus 8x divide 12x. So here is 4 plus here is 8. So we can take common 4. So 4 divided 4 is a 1 plus 8 divided 4 is a 2 and here is x. Divide 12x. This 12 we can divide by 4. So here is 1 and here is 3. So we can write 1 plus 2x divide 3x. So here which one is similar? Number C is similar. So our right answer number C. Which of the following is equivalent to, we can write this one, 3x to the power 4 minus 3. Here is some option. So first we can take common this 3. So 3, here is x to the power 4 minus 1. But here is still not similar anyone. Next we can write here is 3 and this x to the power 4 we can write x square and also same 1 square. Now look, 3 here x square and minus 1 square, it's looking a square minus b square. We know a square minus b square, it means a plus b times a minus b. So same thing we can write in here, x square plus 1 times x square minus 1. Now we will find out which one is similar. Look, still not similar. Next what can we do? Same thing, here is 3 x square plus 1 and this x square minus 1 also we can write x plus 1 times x minus 1. Now we will check. Look, number D, here is 3 times x square plus 1 times x plus 1 times x minus 1. So here is a same thing. So our required answer is number D. X plus 1 whole square plus 2 times x plus 1 times y plus 1 plus y plus 1 whole square. So which of the following is equivalent to the expression shown above? So here is some option and we have to find out which one is correct. So first we can write x plus 1 whole square plus 2 x plus 1 y plus 1 plus y plus 1 whole square. Now we have to find out some similarity. Here is x plus 1 and here is also x plus 1. Here is y plus 2 and here is also y plus 2 whole square. So let x plus 1 equals m and y plus 1 equals to n. So we can write m square plus 2mn plus n square. Now we can easily write m plus n whole square, right? Because it's looking a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now we can put the value again. So what will happen? X plus 1 plus y plus 1 whole square. So here is x, then plus y plus 2 whole square. So which one is similar? Number B. Look, x plus y plus 2 whole square. So our answer number B. Very simple. Which of the following is equivalent to xy minus x square divide xy minus y square. Here is some option. So first we can take common which is similar. Here is x and here is x square. We can take common x. So here is y minus x. Same thing, here is y and here is y square. We can take common y. So same, here is x minus y. Right? Now we have to make same thing. Here is y minus x and here is x minus y. So it's not similar. We can take common minus from any side. So we can take common in numerator. So minus x, it will become x minus y, and here is y, x minus y. So we can divide this x minus y by x minus y. So here is 1 and our answer will be minus x by y. So which one is? Number D is our right answer. So number D. If x greater than 1, which of the following is equivalent to? Here is 1 divide x minus 1 by 2 plus x plus 5 by 3. So which one is equivalent? First, in denominator we will make a LCM. Here is 1 and here 2 and 3 LCM is 6, right? So we can write here 6. So 6 divided 2 is a 3. So we can write in here 3 times x minus y plus 6 divided 3 is a 2. So we can write 2 times x plus 5. Okay. Now we can flip, because 1 divide a fraction. So after 1, this fraction will be flipped. So it will be 6 divide 3 times x is a 3x. 3 times 1 is a 3. So minus 3 plus 2 times x 2x plus 2 times 5 is a 10. Right? Then we can write 6, 3x plus 2x, it will be 5x. 10 minus 3, it will be plus 7. So our answer is what? 6 by 5x plus 7. So which one is correct? Number C, 6 by 5x plus 7. So we can say our required answer is number C. Here is a fraction in numerator. 2 plus 1 by x divide 2 minus 1 by x. So we have to make solution. First we can make LCM. Here is x. So 2 times x is a 2x, then plus 1, then again LCM x, 2x minus 1, right? Now 2x plus 1 divide x, and denominator will be flipped. It means x by 2x minus 1. So x divide x is a 1. So our answer is what? 2x plus 1 divide 2x minus 1. So which one? Here is 2x plus 1 divide 2x minus 1. It means number, correct answer, number B. Thank you. Here 3x cube plus 8x square minus 4x. Another one is 7x square. So in terms of x square, 7 should be in here, 7x square, then minus 11x, and then minus 7. Now which of the following is the sum of two polynomials above? So we have to make summation. So first 3x cube, here is nothing, so it will be as it is, 3x cube, then plus 8x square plus 7x square, it means 15x square, right? And then minus 4x and minus 11x, it will be minus 15x. and here is minus 7. So let's check which one is similar. Here is 3x cube plus 15x square minus 15x minus 7. It means number B. Number B is our required answer. Thank you. 5a plus 3 root a minus 2a plus 5 root a. Which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? So here is two expression, we will subtract each other. So first 5a plus 3 root a minus, the sign will be changed inside bracket. So here is minus 2a plus and minus, once we multiply it will be minus 5 root a. Now look, 5a minus 3a, it means 5a minus 2a, it means 3a, and here is plus 3 root a and minus 5 root a, it means minus 2 root a. Okay, so the answer is number C, 3a minus 2 root a. Thank you. If y not equals to 0, what is the value of, we can write this one, 9 2y square plus 2 6y square divide 8 3y square. So step by step we have to find the solution. So first 9 times 2 square, it means 4, y square, it's a y square, plus 2 times 6 square means 12 times y square, divide, here is 8 times 3 square means 9 and y square. So here is 9 times 4 is a 36 and y square, plus 2 times 12 is a 24 y square, 8 times 9 is a 72 y square. Okay, then 36 24, once we make summation, 36y square and 24y square, so 6 4, it will be 10 means 0, carry 1 3 plus 2 is a 5, so 6 60y square, and here is 72y square. Now we can divide this one, means y square and y square we can out, then we can divide this one by 12, it means 60 by 12 is a 5 and 72 by 12 is a 6. So our answer is what? 5 by 6. Very simple. Thank you.